Hello CDA1, welcome to your last module, Module 8. We are going to be finishing everything up by next Thursday. So we're going to have an assignment, a final, and then two things related to your time log. So the first thing is going to be your professional portfolio and that professional philosophy, and that is something that you're going to put into your portfolio. That's something that the PD specialist reads that gives them a snapshot of who you are, your values, what got you into this career, tells you a little bit more about your philosophy of what you think about teaching. And so it's a final reflection, and so we do it in the first one because there's a lot of things in 2 and 3, and this will give you a good starting point, and that as your verification visit gets closer, you can write it and make changes to it, but it's good to have an initial one. So these are the things that you need to have about your values and beliefs. How do you think children learn? And then what is your role in that? So if you believe that children learn through play and experiences, then I need to provide an environment that is accessible to them, that they can be in control of, and that I need to provide opportunities for them to process with new materials, that kind of stuff. What you believe other aspects are, like what's the role of families, like they are the first teachers, they're the first cultural models, things along those lines will go into your portfolio. Next is going to be your time log, and so in a regular non-COVID that would be 16 hours. However, this is going to be related to the field experience assignments that you will have, and so when you look at it, the time you started your field experience assignment, the time you ended it, what did you do during it, and then you're going to sign right here. I realize it's going to look a little different for this semester. And then for this, if you were in a classroom, you can complete this. There's a little section right here about what you've learned about yourself through the field experiences, so you can spend a lot of time looking at field experience 2 and 3 and how your room and environment and your teaching practices have been informed, things along those lines. And then you have a final, and let me show it to you. Hold on. And it's 3 examples of new learning you're taking from the course. So the end of course will reflect on the field experiences, and you're welcome to use that as one thing. But what else did you learn about? Did you learn about the CDA process? Did you learn about a portfolio? Did you learn about observation? What is it, and what connections do you make to it? So approximately 1 paragraph per. So for 3 paragraphs, and that's it. And so it will be, because it's 45, it's 15 points per example. And that is going to be, let me do this. I learned a lot. So it goes in. And that is going to be it. So I've had a great semester with each of you. I know we are in uncharted territory, and so I appreciate all the effort and the discussions and all of the ways we've had to be flexible. But when you're working in early childhood education, that is one of the skills that you have to have, is to be flexible. So I look forward to seeing what you guys are taking away. I look forward to seeing what your philosophies are, and have a great last week.